If I were an apple, I will discuss today, and the chapter I have read in your offline class, and today I will be reading it once again. Then we will practice some spellings, then we will do the exercises. Okay, so all of you open page number 64. If I were an apple, all of you mute your microphones. If I were an apple, all of you mute your microphones, then you can hear me clearly. Ayush, mute your microphone. Why you cannot see the board, dear? The front part is clear. All of you, I am saying now, mute your microphone. Use the chat box to communicate. Yeah, page number 64. If I were an apple. Okay, let's read the chapter once again, then we will practice some spellings. If I were an apple, if I were an apple and grew on a tree, I think I would drop down on a nice boy like me. I wouldn't stay there giving nobody joy. I would fall down at once and say, "Eat me, my boy." Okay, now let's do the spellings from here. All of you take out your copies and write the spellings. Who has unmuting again and again? Devdeep. Do not interrupt here. Concentrate over the class. Number 1 spelling, that is apple. You all know the spelling, but you need to practice more and more. Number 2, drop. Number 3, stay. Number 4, joy. Number 5, eat. These 5 spellings you need to practice. Number 1, apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. Number 2, drop, D-R-O-P, drop. Number 3, stay, S-T-A-Y, stay. Number 4, joy. And number 5, eat, E-A-T, eat. Number 1, apple. Number 2, drop. Number 3, stay. Number 4, joy. And number 5, eat. Okay, these 5 spellings you need to practice at your home. Now let's do the exercises. All of you open page number 65. Page number 65, and you can see over there the reading is fun part. In the reading is fun part. There you can see 3 questions. Let's solve the questions together. Okay, first question. Where is the apple? Where is the apple? Can you tell me? I will write the answer, but can you tell me? Where is the apple? We can write it like, the apple is on a tree. The apple is on a tree. Yes, the apple is on a tree. Okay. And the next two questions, can I erase the board? The spelling part. Can I erase the board now? The spelling part. Okay. Okay. Okay, then I am erasing the board. Then I will do the next two questions. Minhazuddin, no. First spelling is apple, second one drop, third one stay, fourth one joy, and the fifth one eat. Okay, write it fast here. And the first question, where is the apple? The apple is on a tree. Okay. I'm erasing the board now. Number 2, where is the boy? Where is the boy? We can write it like, the boy is under a tree. The boy is under a tree. Yes. Number 3, how can the boy get the apple? How can the boy get the apple? How can the boy get the apple? What we can see at the right side of the picture, that the boy can get the apple by climbing the tree. The boy can get the apple by climbing the tree. Yes, the boy can get the apple by climbing the tree. Okay. These 3 questions from here, and in the let's talk part, you can see over there 2 questions. These questions I don't need to write. These questions, the answers will be according to your own. Okay, so I will just discuss it. First one, do you like apples? Do you like apples? You will tell me the answer. Do you like apples? Yes, all of us like apples, all of us. Number 2, have you ever climbed a fruit tree? Have you ever climbed a fruit tree? No, I also don't. I also haven't climbed a fruit tree, and climbing a tree, that might be risky also. So do not try to. Okay, do not try to climb any. I climbed a fruit tree. Debayani, you have climbed which fruit tree then? I haven't climbed any tree, and that could be a riskier one. So all of you do not even try it. Okay. Okay, I also cannot. Okay, so let's talk part I have discussed. Now let's come to the let's share part. Let's share part. Here, there you can see that 2 fill in the blanks over there. That 2 fill in the blanks. There we need to do this. So can I erase the number 1 question? That is, where is the apple? Can I erase the number 1 question? Okay. So I am erasing the number 1 question. let's do the fill in the blanks. Number 1. If I were a bird, I would dash. The options are fly or cry. What would be the correct option? If I were a bird, I would fly. Yes, very good. I would fly. If I were a bird, I would fly. The second fill in the blanks. If I were a bee, I would buzz or chirp. Yes, if I were a bee, I would buzz. If I were a bee, I would buzz. Okay. And in the same page, you can see at the end of the page that STUV that you need to rewrite. STUV that you need to rewrite. That's what you will do at your home. And at the next page, in page number 66, this part, that's what I have shown you in page number 66. That's kind of a puzzle one. You need to write the full name of the fruits. Some letters are omitted, and that's what you need to write and make a full name of a fruit. You will also try to do this at your home. So page number 65 and 66 will be your homework. I will also discuss this. Page number 65 and 66. I will also, page number 65, I don't need to discuss. That's STUV, you will just rewrite that. And page number 66, I will discuss. Okay. But before that, Devayan, you have completed. Very good. So, you also, Kaustubh, very good. Who have not completed, try to do this at your home. Okay. Niladri also have completed. Very good. Who have completed? Very good. I will also discuss. And who haven't completed, do this. Okay. And next I will give you a project. Okay. For this session, I will give you a project. I will discuss the project with you. So, will I erase the board? Then I will discuss the projects with you. I am erasing the board, okay? Project. Here, for now, you need to draw a rainbow and write the 7 colors. Okay? You need to draw a rainbow and write the 7 colors. Bithika, the board is clear, dear. I will upload the video, don't worry. But here is no problem. So you need to draw a rainbow and write the 7 colors. You need to draw. You can draw like this. You can draw like this also. I'm just giving you an example. You can draw more beautiful than this, I know. And here I am just giving you an example. You can draw more beautiful than this. If you want to draw more beautiful than this, I am just giving you an example. And also, rainbow is called with Gior, Vibgyor, because of the names like violet, indigo, blue, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. You will draw this rainbow very beautifully, then color this and also write the 7 names. Okay, and how you will submit it and how I will check, I will discuss you. You will be notified in later classes. I will notify you later, and I am giving you this project very early, and so that you can do this very clearly with so much time. And how will you submit it, I will notify you later. You will be notified later. Okay, and till then just do the project beautifully. I have just given you an example. You can, I know you will do more beautiful than this. Okay, now I will take you present. All of you write P or present in your chat box. Now I will take you present. No one will leave the class. Okay, so I have taken you present and I have discussed about the chapter and the projects also. Okay, so today's class is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye. Bye.